Ever found yourself grappling with a stubborn keyboard that refuses to cooperate? It's enough to make anyone's blood boil. But before you let frustration get the better of you, why not try troubleshooting the issue? Here are some general steps you can take to potentially resolve keyboard issues. First and foremost, check the physical connections. A properly connected keyboard is the cornerstone of smooth typing. If it's a wired keyboard, ensure the USB or PS2 cable is securely plugged in. For those with wireless keyboards, it's essential to check the batteries and ensure it's properly paired with your device. Next on the list is the good old-fashioned restart. Often, a simple reboot can resolve keyboard issues caused by software glitches or conflicts. It's a bit like giving your computer a quick nap to refresh its mind. Now, if you have the opportunity, test the keyboard on another device. This step can help determine if the issue lies with the keyboard itself or with the computer or device it's connected to. Up next is a check for driver updates. Current drivers are essential for your keyboard's optimal performance. You can usually update these through your operating system's device manager or by visiting the manufacturer's website. It's also worth checking for software conflicts. Some programs running on your computer might interfere with the keyboard's functionality. Try closing down any unnecessary programs or run a virus scan to check for any lurking malware. Don't forget to clean the keyboard. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate over time, causing keys to stick or not register properly. Use compressed air or a soft brush to gently clean the keyboard. If necessary, consider removing the keys to clean underneath. Checking keyboard settings is also a crucial step. Ensure the settings in your operating system align with your keyboard layout. For example, the language and input settings should match your keyboard. For wired keyboards, try a different port. Connect it to a different USB port on your computer to rule out a port issue. Don't forget to check for physical damage. Inspect the keyboard for any broken keys or spills. If you find any damage, it might be time for a replacement. Lastly, some keyboards have a reset function that restores default settings. Consult the keyboard's manual or the manufacturer's website for instructions on how to perform a reset. If none of these steps resolve the issue, there's a chance that the keyboard itself has a hardware fault, and it might be time to replace it. In summary, troubleshooting a keyboard involves checking physical connections, restarting the computer, testing the keyboard on another device, updating drivers, checking for software conflicts, cleaning the keyboard, checking settings, trying a different port, inspecting for physical damage, and resetting the keyboard settings. Remember, patience is key when troubleshooting. If all else fails, it might be time to look for a new keyboard. But with these steps, hopefully you'll have your keyboard back in tip-top shape in no time.